Keep it working.
We're not gonna need a ladder up here, so we can bring it down.
Careful, Russ. Take it easy. No one's rushing you. I know you're rushing, but don't need to rush.
You're funny.
I got some dry humor, right?
Very dry.
Wait, what do you mean it's very dry?
All right, guys, so what we're gonna do right now, we're actually gonna dismantle all of our supports. We're gonna remove all of our braces that support this cabin, and then we can actually start working on dismantling the rest of the logs.
Welcome to our channel. If this is your first time here, we're thrilled to have you. Today, we're continuing the meticulous work of dismantling a 1780s cabin with the goal of rebuilding it to last for generations. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It truly makes a difference.
Well, that was close.
Not close enough.
What does that mean, Russ? Thought you want to be serious. That's not serious.
I'm very serious. Wow.
You want to be serious. So this channel is supposed to be serious, but I'm not.
You're not serious at all.
I don't want to be someone else. No, Russ. So am I gonna move aside because I don't want the thing to follow me? Oh wow, it was loose the whole time?
What are you talking about?
When are you gonna tell me that?
What are you talking about? It wasn't loose.
Like, yeah. Anyways, these are huge. 2 by what? 6?
Yeah, 2 by 6.
Are you gonna reuse them?
Of course.
Is it easier to take it down and put it up?
Of course.
So the best part about winter, lights ends fast. And we can work less, correct?
And I'm sure you like that.
I love it. Comment below if you guys agree. It's nice to have more time. But this guy still finds something to do even in the evening, editing. On the top. Oh wow. Well, that was easy. Someone said April has 9 lives. How many do you think you have left?
All right.
That thing is heavy, so if it falls, yeah, it would be painful. What's that for? Instead of taking out, he's doing the easy way, guys. It's getting jammed, you gotta go up there. Okay, Mr.
Guys, this is good. This is good. Reason why? Because, well, now our logs are much straighter. So when I'm taking them off, they're already straightened.
Wow.
They've been straightened. So this is good.
don't know how that's good, but sure, you're taking it apart.
I'm actually very excited, guys, for a rebuild. This is gonna be fun.
For you or for me?
Well, you can be helping, hopefully.
I hope I can help.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hope I can assist you. So if you're out there and you want to help him for free, call 911-555-321.
Are you giving them a fake number? If you give them a fake number, that ain't gonna help.
I'm kidding. Okay, hammer, here we come. It's pretty rusty. It's been out here, you can tell. Waiting for you to work. So how are you gonna take the second floor apart?
From the top.
Okay. Dang.
We're gonna have to keep this as a mock-up for the next window, because this is not a good window.
It's heavy?
Yeah,
How?
it's heavy, and because this is not like a 2x6, this is like a 3x6.
Dang, why would they use such heavy?
Because they didn't have a precise measurement at those times, or that was the measurement. Well, basically, they set the setting and then they just sawed them. Really.
Pretty bad, guys. Look at that termite damage.
Yeah.
Most of this stuff is pretty rotten. I know a lot of you guys out there are pretty upset that he's taking this apart, but guys, just look at this. This is unbelievable. Look how bad it is. Look at this damage. Termite.
Yeah, not the logs. Not the logs. Logs are good.
But look at that.
It's just the headers. This is right here. This is a termite damage. This is the plate that was next to the chimney, or right up against the chimney.
Yeah.
So you couldn't save that.
But these logs are fine, right?
Yeah, logs are fine. Yeah, logs are good. It's like for some reason they avoided the logs and kept eating at this. So, and there would be no way of actually replacing it besides
taking it out,
removing all of the logs. So it's a good thing that I'm doing this. Yep. Because I don't think you would want to stay in a half-finished log cabin.
True.
That might collapse.
There's a 50-50 chance you got when you're staying here. You survive or not, right, Russ? If it's meant to be, it'll happen.
No, we're gonna make it right. We're gonna make it right.
Yep, so it's livable, it's life-proof, and because I got no liability on insurance on this, right?
like this log, we will not use it, but it's gonna be here for a mock-up, and so I just know what kind of log I need. But yeah.
What is that?
Pins.
Let's check them out, guys. Have you seen this before? Interesting. So apparently the snake went somewhere here. Russ, I don't want to see it. What if it's inside there again?
It's just a black snake, that's it.
It doesn't matter, it's disturbing. Something slithering on you? Would you like if there was a snake on your face?
Well, it's not on my face. Last time it was in my arms.
And how was that?
It felt weird because it fell right on onto my arms.
Oh, I want to be in your arms, sweetheart. Okay, gotta be careful, Russ. It's pretty long and heavy, so Russ, be careful with your back. He just
I'm trying not to put any strain on my back.
he just recovered and now he's carrying all this. Tell you guys, this guy, don't quit. No matter what, you got this, Russ. Let's get those 1,000,000 views. Woo! All right, Russ. Dang, Russ. How about you run and try to jump? Well, you know, like run and then.
Yeah.
So this guy's goal by end of this year to get 100,000 subs. Let's do this, guys.
Yeah.
Like, share, subscribe, and see you on the other side.
Exactly.
Okay, this is the second one, guys. Can he do it? Sure. Is this heavier? Seems heavier. Because I remember when you were putting one down, and one looked a bit heavy. There it is. He thinks this is heavy. Imagine Jesus was carrying the cross, and it was how many of them? 2 of them at the same time. So Russ, this is nothing. Take it. He's about like, shut up, woman.
Exactly, please shut up.
Wait, what? That was a joke, but I don't blame him.
You spoke my mind.
Where's my dramatic drum music? Raw, that was close to your feet. Whew.
That was heavier.
Really?
Or it's just,
You got tired
I
already.
got tired after 2 of them.
Wow, well, you accomplished.
We got some bigger ones.
Really?
Yeah, we got some bigger ones as well. That's gonna be some heavy.
You definitely need a second person, Russ, to help you.
Let's go.
Oh, that was easy. So it was pretty loose then.
No, it wasn't.
No? Got a lot of wood. Can we build another house?
Maybe we will.
A tiny house. So someone asked me how do I put up with this guy working so hard. Honestly, no idea. Ross, you wanna?
Who asked you that? I don't think anybody asked you that.
Anyways, so what's your answer, Russ?
I don't think anyone asked you that. That's what I'm gonna say.
God, this guy can't take a joke. But it's not a joke. He is a workaholic, and I don't know how he can stop. He said the only time he can rest is in the grave.
Exactly. God gave us this life. Why not use it?
Wisely, right?
Exactly. A slumber person does not prosper.
Wow. Somebody's wise. And anything else?
Hey, that's what Proverbs said.
Any other good tips for people that are watching our channel?
Listen, if you want to be successful, you got to get up early
Okay.
and stop sleeping.
I think that's a common sense.
What do you mean? It's not common for some other people.
Yep, they say common sense is not common anymore.
Exactly. There's a lot of common sense that you can actually read in Proverbs. If you have never read, listen, good place to start.
Yep, it's actually a lot of good tips.
A lot of wisdom, by the way. A lot of common sense and wisdom.
Yep. Thanks.
Hey, I'm not saying that I'm an expert in ancient book, but there's so much wisdom in it.
That's right. That's how you got smart. Over the couple of years, I've noticed big improvement.
You're funny.
Okay, let's go up while he's working. Try to get those angles for him. Whew. You think it's safe after you took everything off?
Yeah.
Hopefully, guys. You wanted a good angle. Here you go, guys. Sweetheart.
I know I can come up.
You technically could climb up. You got this, Russ. A little bit more. You want help?
Nice.
Okay, he wants to do it himself, so.
Now this all thread is bent. That's from the AC when it was flying down, right here.
Oh yeah, if you guys missed that one, you should watch it.
It's
Best way to take AC down.
with the AR-15.
Yeah. He thought it was a sniper until we tried.
Say it again.
He was a sniper. Jeez. Careful, Russ. Yeah, that's enough.
You see this log?
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Pretty bad.
There's no way of saving this log.
And it's like right there.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, there's this much is good and that much is good, but the middle is like rotten, dry rotted. So, and then also termite damaged. So we're gonna have to literally remove it. I got lots of posts. I might use them on the shed or maybe on the fencing.
Oh, I like the fence part. How do you feel, Russ? It's getting dark already and getting chilly.
We're not going anywhere.
I was about to end this video.
We're not going anywhere.
Sweetheart, it's getting dark and the battery's about to die.
No.
No, for real it is actually.
Yeah, fair enough. I'm gonna stop here at this moment. I gotta remove the scaffold and I don't have enough time. It's gonna get dark in the next 20 minutes, so I might as well pack up and call it a night, and tomorrow we can resume working on this cabin. So I'll see you tomorrow.
Is it gonna fall? Are you gonna number it? Are you gonna keep it or no? Is it salvageable or no?
Yes, it is.
Make sure you write it in. Wow, that is humongous. Yep, you're just a little bit, and it's on the floor. See? Check this out, guys, right here, look. Close and personal. Whew. Are you gonna throw it down? You know, there's times where you wake up in life, you just don't want to work.
What?
And this is the time where...
You gotta work.
That's a good one, Russ.
Guys, so today I'm coming back to another beautiful day. Yesterday it rained, so I wasn't able to come out here. Now, but today I'll have a little bit of time, so what I'm going to do is basically I'm trying to dismantle as much as I can to the basically where the second floor starts, and then after that then I will have to come back the next day and dismantle the second story, and then we can continue. So we have some light, let's go and let's do this.
You gonna throw it down? Heavy, guys. Careful. Thing is heavy, guys. Slide it down, Russell, slowly. There's a bush and rocks. Slowly. Yep. So, do you think Abraham Lincoln stayed first floor or second floor, Russ? Which one's safer?
He definitely fit
Up
on
there?
the second floor, yeah.
How tall was he, by the way?
I don't know.
I heard he was tall.
I know he wore a hard hat.
Really? Russ, come
I
on.
meant to say high hat, not hard hat.
Why high hat?
Because that's what he used to wear.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Some facts he knows. So next week shows a really good weather, no rain, so hopefully we get to dismantle by next week, I think.
Hopefully.
Yeah, if everything goes well, Russ has no back injury.
Don't even talk about that.
Yeah, and the weather permits, we'll dismantle this whole cabin, guys. Can you imagine? It's very possible. We thought it'd take longer, but it's actually going pretty smooth so far. I don't want to jinx it, but so far so good. Things are going just the way we planned. If there's no rain or storm, we can get this done, right, Russ?
Right, Bella. Right.
Would you call me Avala?
Yes.
Last time I checked, that wasn't my name. Dang, you got some good wood, Russ. Ross, that was stupid. It's not safe. What was it? Is it safe for me to stay by the cabin? Dang. Gotta back away a little bit. Just never know what can fly down. Good thing he was not a snake. You could climb on that one, dude, though. Easier, actually. You know what I mean? See, Ross? I told you to keep it there. You weren't listening.
You didn't say nothing.
I know you say that. I knew you would have given me the credit. Tell you, this guy doesn't get it, do you?
Hey.
Sarcasm.
Give credit where it's due.
Right.
And it's not due to you.
Wow. I guess I'll start filming you. Okay, peace out.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with the support.
Yep. That was a hard job, Russ. Wasn't it? Can you reuse them, right?
Of course, I can reuse everything.
What's on your face?
What? Alright guys. Hopefully this works.
I'm getting nervous again. This guy keeps me on the edge. Wow, success. I like.
Alright guys, that was a success. Now we have another guy right here, this one.
You're kidding, Ross.
Well, that's down.
Oh, wow. Did it snap?
Nope.
Sure, gotta check it out.
Well, even if it snapped, I can use it for shorter pieces.
Oh, that was fast. I barely got the camera rolling. Russ, are you trying to repeat the same thing?
Yep.
I see that. He's like, oh, it's so much easier. Wow, seriously?
Well, that one's down.
Like it snapped?
No. Check this one out, guys. This one's bad.
Hey, look at that open layout. Those two on the sides are about to fall, Russ. Let's look. I think you're having too much fun, Russ. What is he doing? Oh, that one fell. You see, guys? The other one came off on the other side. So this guy, careful, Russ. There we go.
There we go. Alright guys, we are finished for today. I cannot move any further. Reason why, because I need to finish the second floor, and then we can actually start dismantling the rest of the logs. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. There's a lot of more content coming up. We're going to be rebuilding this beautiful cabin and reusing a lot of these logs. Some of the logs will not be used, but I will show you what I'm using and what I'm not using. So if you enjoyed this content so far, please don't forget to like, and at the same time, listen, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Why not? It's free, and I will see you on the next video.